Welcome back to my channel. And oh, also too, sorry if I'm gonna be like a little bit quiet. It's like 9:30 at night and I don't really want people to hear me, but yeah. I guess what I'm just trying to say is welcome back to 31 days of Allieween. I'm really excited. I've had so much fun creating these makeup looks, and even though like I'm not like a complete expert at makeup, I just had fun. And so you will see in some tutorials that some tutorials are better than other ones, and that's okay. I'm still a beginner. I'm no way a professional at all. I'm just having fun with it, and I thought this would be like a fun way to challenge my creativity along with like my skills, I guess, even though I don't really feel like I have many skills. But yeah, that's about it. If you don't know what Allieween is, it's basically just every day in October I upload a new makeup tutorial every day, and that's about it. So I mean, if I'm gonna rewind a bit, this is kind of my third attempt at it. My first year I called it Allieween, which was, just the H at the beginning and then the alley in the middle, and then that kind of just flopped. And then last year I just stuck to 31 days of Halloween, and I continued it on my Instagram account. By the way, it's going to be linked down below. But the video part, it was a big hassle and like a big technical difficulty, and that wasn't very fun. So this year I've prepared, and I'm hoping I can make this my best try yet. I mean, third time's a charm, right? So we're gonna see. And so yeah, I guess that's just enough of me rambling. Now you know what Allieween is, and now you can, well, we will just get on into this tutorial. First thing that I'm going to do for this tutorial is I'm going to outline my eye sockets, but I don't really have a brown liner because I want to do it with a brown liner, but I have this, I don't even know who you are. I have this NYX brow pencil duo thing, micro brow pencil, and this is in the shade Chocolate, and I figure that could probably be next this one. So I'm just going to take this, and I'm just going to outline my eye sockets. Alright, and then I'm going to go in with this Urban Decay Born to Run palette, and I'm going to use, I think, this shade right here, which is Rift. And I'm just gonna kind of like fill in like the circles of the eyes. Ugh. Darker shade. This one right here is good as gone. And then I'm just gonna kind of like fill out like kind of like the outer like circle. Go in with this shade down here called Jet, and I'm going to take a teeny tiny little bit and put it I'm gonna go in with this foundation. It is the Wet n Wild Focus Foundation, and this is in the shade Golden Beige, I believe. Yes. And I'm just gonna like put it all over the face. I probably should put a primer, but I'm just gonna put it all over my mouth right now. I'm done. It's in coconut, so it's just white. And I'm just gonna put this on my bottom. Right. Next, I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette, and I think I'm going with this shade right here. No, I'm gonna go in with this one right here. I forget what shade name it is. I'm gonna use that. I might overline just a little bit. Just like highlight and contour pro palette, and I'm just going to take this shade right here. Darker shade over here, right there. I'm just kind of still contour a bit on the forehead. Okay, I'm gonna outline the eye sockets one more time with the black shade from the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette. Is it for this makeup tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun creating it, as well as all of them. All these were pretty fun. But anyway, that's pretty much it for today's look. We will see you tomorrow with a new one. But don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, whatever you want. Also check out my social media link down below. And if cloud shopper, don't forget to check out my discount codes that will also be linked down below. And I guess that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you tomorrow with a new one. Bye.